कल की मूवी देख के आ रहे हो?
हाँ.
कैसी लगी मूवी?
What can I say? First of all, it's a, if I must say, yeah, it's a kind of, I can say, motivating other filmmakers. First thing. Second thing is that after Bahubali, it is after Bahubali and RRR. I can say that yes, it is a third attempt in the Hindi film industry, not taking as Adi Purush. And being myself as a filmmaker, indie filmmaker, I must say that the way it is designed within the budget of 600 crores, including salaries of the cast and crew members, as well as the setup and the props, all of the things, including the VFX, which was visual effects, which was a major part of it, was really tremendous. And I must say that yes, if I must say about the other things as well, there were some frame drops, and there were some frame drops. There were some low pinch of clarity in terms of visual effects and all the stuff related to this, but we can ignore this because in that budget, when this chance was given to Adi Purush, it didn't delivered it, but also the one thing they did was to insult our Indian history and gods, especially. To be very honest and bluntly, I don't fucking care about that. But the thing is that if I talk about the other things as well, the chance when the chance was given to Nagashwin, and we didn't know him, except South. The North didn't knew about him. So I must say that yes, it is a good attempt, and first time, if I talk about first chance, yes, it was really much amazing, and I must suggest others as well. Being myself as a audience, or if I talk about the industry level in which I am working, being as a filmmaker, everyone should watch it. And if I talk about the ratings, and 5 out of 5, just because why I am giving 100 out of 100, just because of the fact that the budget they were given, and all the fees. You also know the Prabhas salary as well. He took 125 CR in this, and all the bigger stars are also there in this. Kamal Hassan ji, as well as Deepika Padukone. All they were. I must say that highly experienced, and if I talk about salary, they charge a lot. But in that scenario as well, they did their job.
एक्टिंग सबसे अच्छी किसकी थी?
Oh, I must say that Shanshaw of Bollywood, Prabhas पे काफी भारी पड़े, and at the age of 81, yes, he proved that why he's a step ahead of SRK. Even though I'm a really hardcore fan of SRK and I love him a lot, but yeah, he stepped him ahead in front of it, and told him that why he's the Shanshaw of Bollywood.
और कोई ऐसी सीन जो बहुत ही अच्छी लगी हो?
If I talk about the scene, first is Mahabharat. Second is obvious reason, Prabhas versus Amitabh Bachchan, first fight. Prabhas versus Amitabh Bachchan, first fight. Third thing is that the end climax.
और कुछ लोगों का ऐसा ओपिनियन है कि स्टोरी थोड़ी फर्स्ट हाफ की अच्छी नहीं है, उसे लेकर.
Yes, there are faults. There are faults in the first half, especially. I don't care about that. Disha Patani was totally a waste of money. And if I talk about her character, her plot, I don't know why. There might be a chance that they might be an influence of Bollywood. Okay, थोड़ा मसाला टाइप का कुछ बनाते. It failed. It completely failed. And if I talk about Saho as well, Salar as well, there was no masala, but they did it in this one, and I hope that they should make it better, and just to remove it next time.
महाभारत के सीन है उसको लेकर
I must say that Nagashan is deserved to make Mahabharata.
और मतलब आप फिल्म मेकर हैं तो आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं.
Basically, I'm a 7-time nominated director, and I have totally shorted out 6 films, and my 7th film is about to release in theaters soon this year, and might be in August or in September slot. And yeah, I'm just having a finger crossed that what the innovation that I'm working for it. Actually, it is cinema, and the target audience is obviously kids. But the innovation I did inside it, I have a finger cross, and let's hope for the best that अगर गलती हुई मेरे से तो अगर थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर नीचे हुआ, दो इट्स एन एजुकेशनल मूवी, अगर दो मेरे से थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर नीचे हुआ, आई विल इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ.